I gave you my heart.
The layer was created. So press Shift plus F5 to fill the photo with 50% gray. With 50% gray. Click OK. Put the mode on vivid light. So from filter menu, you should choose noise, add noise. Depending on the size of your portrait, if the size of our portrait is larger and its quality is high, insert 5. But here I found the number 3 suitable for this photo. And distribution should be on Gaussian and monochromatic. Monochromatic should be ticked. Click OK. So from from filter menu, from stylize, choose emboss. So angle should be 130 degrees and amount should be 130%. High, I think 2 is suitable for this photo. But if your photo is larger or its quality is high, insert 3 or 4. Click OK. From filter menu, from blur, choose Gaussian blur. So right, it should be 1. Click OK. So next step is to make a mask for this photo by press Alt and this shape. So select brush and texture or portrait scale anywhere you want. So let me zoom it. So choose brush and as you can see, the texture is shown. Thanks for watching. Hope to enjoy it. Good luck.